So what's up guys, again this is me, the same day that I'm coming from my college and I want to record the video. So I don't know first person view will be good or second person view, but my the topic is that why you should not make a best female friend or any female friend. I mean that you make a female friend, right? You make, but don't involve in their situation, their matters every time. Why? And instead of that, what you have to do is that you have to be with your male friends. Anyone, whatever is good, bad, abnormal or not. This I'll say why. Okay. Why? Because female friends have their mood swings, have their restriction, have their problems. Okay, they cannot be available in your emergencies, just like a voice. If you need a voice in 12 o'clock at am, you'll get them. Okay, you call your friends, hey, I need help. So if in terms of money, in terms of support, in terms of the dropping or whatever it is, okay, so you need to make enough male friends that uh, who can survive in your life, and you should also help them, but not a female friends. Use why you need female friends, right? If you get a problem, money problem, if you ask, you can get help from them. If you want to go somewhere or drop, they will not come and pick you and drop you anywhere. If you want help in fight, in finance, in assignment or anything, they won't come and help you. They always not available with you in your throughout the life. They will go, they will settle, and they will settle and they will just wander in their husband home. They have their own like home. Many females will not be allowed by their family to come in party whatever. Okay, so how much you talk to them and how much you talk to the male and female is that around 10% only you have to talk to your female friends, whatever, and 90% you have to be with your male friends. Okay, and not all the male friends you have to be close with them. You have to be close with everyone, but keep one or two fully supportive at any time. So that's my point. Okay, so I'll give you example that if you have a female friends and you are stuck in any trap, in any legal procedure, any procedure like accident, any accident or any police caught you, fight happen, legal procedure to make to complete the document, whatever, the male friend will only come forward first and then come female. So these are the my point. Okay, so I told you now only male friends will be available in every time, anytime, anywhere, no matters. They are too emotional with you, they will share you the things and whatever. Even if they are out of the country, out of the world, out of the nation, out of the city, they will manage, they will prefer to help you, right? Okay, you will be open to with them, but as a female friends, they will just use you as emotional support, they'll just see you as emotional support. Okay guys, this is the Halsuru metro station. Okay, you can see and my PG is near to me, and while walking in PG, the whatever thought came in my mind, I just share you. You just see the location. This boss is making Look the cow. Look the cow.
Bhaiya, bhaiya, please. Thanks, bhaiya.
Okay. Bro, come. Come. And this is the Morgan Cafe, which is famous, okay? And you just see wandering here and there. And even in my college also, I am friend with many others, like even the male and female. I talk to them all, but I have many males. Like if there is 100 male friends, I am close with them all because they are needed in any point of time. But they all 100 will not be available at any time. They won't be close at any time. So I have got 2, 3, 4, 5 members enough. Out of 5 also 1 or maximum 1 and 2. That's only enough. That will be only close to you. So here is my PG, and now I am going to stop my video. So bye. Just see the location first where I live. There is my PG.